Since 1 in 10 Americans has diabetes, you probably understand the significance of eating a balanced breakfast that includes lean protein, fiber, healthy fats, and non-starchy veggies. This also entails substituting low-sugar breakfast items with typical daily morning fare. In today's video, we'll discuss the top breakfast options for diabetics, in case you're unsure what to eat. Nut-topped muesli, a traditional breakfast choice that is tasty and healthful. Muesli with nut butter is a fantastic choice whether or not you have diabetes. A healthy bowl of muesli with organic nut butter on top will keep you going all day. The oat's soluble fiber not only lowers cholesterol and safeguards heart health, but it also slows down the absorption of glucose, which means that fasting blood sugar levels tend to stay stable. The mixture of muesli, moreover, nut butter enhances digestion and provides a wealth of antioxidants that will benefit your skin and hair. Keeping with nut butter, let's move on to number 2, strawberry jelly and toasted peanut butter. Toasted peanut butter and strawberry jelly sandwich. Unless you choose to try sugar-free nut butter, persons with diabetes cannot eat sweets. The ideal breakfast option is organic sugar-free peanut butter over whole wheat toast with a little strawberry jam on top. The foundation, being composed of whole grains, has a good amount of fiber that slows down the breakdown of food. Peanut butter provides a wealth of nutrients, such as vitamins, calcium, magnesium, and many more. And jelly adds a sweet taste while maintaining a stable blood sugar level. All of these ingredients work together to make a nutritious, diabetic-friendly meal. Let's go on to the third and most popular breakfast option, the combination of avocado with fried eggs. Avocado on top of a sandwich or in a salad with fried eggs is not. The good fats, omega-3 fatty acids of avocado combine with the lean protein of fried eggs to make a powerful meal that is not only filling, but also full of nutrients that will help stabilize blood sugar levels. They also help reduce inflammation by adding fiber and heart-healthy minerals. Here's the fourth egg option, roasted vegetable egg. You may get creative with the seasoning and add any herbs you choose. Vegetable egg omelets are quite satisfying when you blend vegetables with eggs. Nutrients to the conventional egg, but how does it support glucose regulation? The fiber in the roasted veggies helps to slow down food digestion, which makes blood sugar levels considerably more stable. While the vegetables are a source of several vitamins, including K, and the eggs provide healthy protein, adding roasted vegetables such as tomato, broccoli, carrot, and spinach will increase the nutritional value and create a more well-balanced, tasty, nutrient-dense, and wholesome meal. Since making an omelet is simple, let's have a look at the fifth egg dish, which consists of eggs and lentils. Toast with eggs and lentils. Eggs are the go-to option for a simple, healthful breakfast, whether or not you have diabetes, but they are not sufficient on their own. You also need something extra to balance out the nutritional value. Lentils are a quick, low-cost, and easily prepared source of protein and fiber, 2 nutrients essential for maintaining a lean body and building muscle. For breakfast, lentils and toast are a fantastic combination. Here's another suggestion for toast number 6, hummus with whole grain toast. When it comes to diabetics' breakfast, hummus, which has a very low glycemic index, is sometimes disregarded, but can be a saving grace because it's a healthier substitute for a lot of spreads. With just a few simple ingredients, garlic and salt, hummus is created by pounding chickpeas into a creamy, butter-like consistency. It's light, yet it still has many health advantages. Top whole grain bread with hummus, and, for added crunch, scatter chia seeds. Nutrition number 7, sweet potato hash. Sweet potato hash is a low glycemic index, healthier alternative to regular potato hash that guarantees no rise in blood sugar levels. Its orange color comes from the presence of cardoid, which is known to lower the risk of developing cancer. You can eat it as a breakfast side dish or as a healthier alternative to your favorite potato dish. It's simple to make by combining grated sweet potato with delectable herbs and spices, and baking it in the oven. Now, let's move on to a popular breakfast. Whole grain option number 8. Whole grain cereal. It's not a good idea to consume cereal while you have diabetes. The high sugar content of normal cereal will cause blood sugar levels to rise. Cereals made from entire grains comprise high protein and fiber content without harmful artificial sweeteners. Using whole grain flour instead of conventional flour can reduce the risk of stroke and other heart-related issues. If you want to lose weight, you can achieve it by combining regular exercise with a switch to whole grains. To give whole grain cereal some texture, you can add coconut shavings, flax seeds, or pumpkin seeds. Let's examine some more. The ninth option is chia seed pudding. These vegan, gluten-free seeds are a great complement to breakfast since they not only give water puddings and salads an earthy, nutty flavor, but they also fill you up till you eat again. Vegans love chia seed pudding because it's high in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Because they encourage a gradual release of carbs, these nutrient-dense seeds have a beneficial impact on blood glucose levels. This indicates that the number 10 pumpkin quinoa berry bol quinoa is a great breakfast option for diabetics since it keeps blood sugar levels steady while providing the body with the nutrients it needs to stay active all day. This breakfast will keep you full all day long since the complex carbohydrates, fiber, and protein are digested gradually, preventing sudden fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Serve it with mashed pumpkin and your favorite berries. In addition, pumpkin offers vital minerals like folate, carotenoid, vitamin C, and vitamin E, all of which support a stronger immune system. Berries, adding nuts and seeds to your breakfast, can increase its nutritional content and make it even more satisfying. Let's take another look. Creating a berry smoothie is a healthy way to start the day. Berry dish number 11 is berry smoothie. Strawberries and blueberries. A glass full of berries is full of antioxidants that boost immunity and rid the body of toxins when it comes to diabetes. This smoothie also fights off inflammation, which is a major contributor to add some nutritional value and make it extra filling. Raspberries are also known for their health benefits. They keep you mentally sharp with nutrients called anthocyanins. Add a banana, some unsweetened Greek yogurt, and a small, for those with diabetes, skipping breakfast is not an option. In order to maximize their eating habits, diabetics must also lead active, healthy lifestyles. If you or anybody you know has diabetes, please let us know in the comments section below.